Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Samya. My mom and I, that's my mom, in case you haven't watched our previous vlogs. So my mom and I are currently in Iceland. This is our day 3 but day 2 of sightseeing. We are doing a bus tour today.
By the way, this lava was flowing around 1050 AD, so it's the most recent lava flow up here in this area.
கல்லுல இந்த பாதையில தான். போய் எடுத்துக்கோ என்ன இவ்வளோண்டு தூரம் தான்மா, ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகுதுவா. போய் சரியா நீ வரலையா? Let's get closer and check out the waterfall.
to experience it, but it is very special.
Three o'clock, we will be back at the bus, all of us, okay? 3 o'clock, we're back at the bus. Okay. And then we'll be driving across the road to the Diamond Beach together, okay? At 3 o'clock. Everybody got that?
Yes.
还有个那是快会带的上课。
It's about 6 in the evening. It's beautiful out here. And we are currently in a village called Wick, and the bus has stopped here for dinner. But we packed some food for lunch. We still have some buns left. So my mom and I decided that that's what we'll have for dinner. So we are not getting anything. For lunch, we didn't get anything either. Like I just mentioned, we got some stuff packed. So we just have some buns left so that we can easily have in the bus as well, you know, when it departs from here. So right now we have about 45 minutes left. I think I've already used up like some 10 minutes of it, just checking out the area in general. So my god, so beautiful, so beautiful. Every nook and corner of the country is scenic and picturesque. I'm really glad I stepped out. My mom actually wanted me to stay put as well in the bus. She was like, let's just rest our legs a bit. But I was like, no, I want to get out and explore the area. I mean, we have solid 45 minutes. I'm not going to let it go waste. So that's why I got down, and I'm so happy I did. I'm not wearing the long coat. Just with this sweater, I'm able to manage. But I am feeling quite a bit of chill in my hands. And but that's okay. It's okay. It's not a big issue. I think I'll be here for another 10 minutes or so, and then take a walk on the other side. Yeah, but I have to be very careful. I can't go near the beach because of the killer waves possibility. They do the sneaker waves. Yeah, they are killer waves because they can drag you out into the sea, and once that happens, there is no way you can escape. But they are called sneaker waves. So yeah, we don't know when the sneaker waves will creep in on you, so we have to keep a bit of a distance. So I'm going to stay put here and enjoy the view for some time, take some videos and maybe a photo or two, and then leave.